Beautiful always-on display themes for Xiaomi Global. Work on MIUI 13 and above. Lot of style. Xiaomi SU7. Digital clock. Open settings. Backup and restore. Mobile device. Uncheck all. Other system app data. Always on display and lock screen editor. Backup. Open Xiaomi File Manager. MIUI folder. Backup folder. AOD Backup. Filter with time modified and reverse with HyperOS 2.2 and above. After the backup is complete, you will have a zip file. Proceed to extract the zip file. This is the original file containing the always-on display data on your phone. You can copy this file to another location for backup or storage if needed. My backup file in description. Download my backup file. You can copy or move file to MIUI folder. Backup. AOD Backup. Latest backup folder. Replace file. Check my phone before restore. Only one always-on display theme. About phone. Backup and restore. Restore. Latest backup data. The always-on display theme has appeared. With this method, you can install Xiaomi China always-on display themes on Xiaomi Global devices. Backup file and video description. My device, Xiaomi 14T Global ROM. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.